Time for the idler pulley replacement. Okay, it's a pretty straightforward operation to remove the pulley, the idler pulley I mean. First thing I need to do is to take tension off the belt with the tensioner. Okay, I made a previous video where I take the tension off when I replace the belt. Same process here. Reach in. Need to slip the slip the belt off of that pulley. And put the tensioner back down. I did that with a 16mm socket on the tensioner pulley right here. Now I'll use a 13mm socket to take this idler pulley off with. It seems to be on there snug. I could not find a torque reading for it. Good mind to go get a smaller wrench. Sometimes a little palm ratchet will get into some tight places. You don't necessarily need a palm ratchet. I call it a palm ratchet. It's just a small ratchet without a handle. You get that bolt loose enough, you take it loose with your fingers. That's the whole idea anyway. So, not sure what you call that, but it'll save you some room in some cases. There's what the bolt looks like. Now this idler pulley is most likely the original, and I believe there's 182,000 miles on this vehicle, so it's not going to come off without a fight. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to carefully try and pry it off. Got a big pry bar, and that's doing the job. Let's see if I can get it by my hands now. There we go. Okay. You can see a little bolt and a big hole. This part says GM on it, right where my thumbnail is. And this part here says made in Canada, right where my thumbnail is. So we have the identical holes. That's a good thing. And we have this one. Sounds like that. And we have that new one. Smooth. Okay. You can see the shaft down here. Fan blade out of the way. This is what it was on. Now, there's nothing on that shaft, and I'm not going to put anything on it. I put a torque wrench on this, and I was able to break it loose at 15, but I believe it was on less than that. The wrench never clicked. Okay, I'm going to get a small wrench and put it on tight just by feel. Okay, it's on there tight. Okay, now I have to reposition the belt and get everything back on, and I'm probably going to have to move the camera while I do that because it's going to be in my way, and I'll be right back. Okay, double checking everything. I got the belt back on. It looks okay. I'll start it up and see how she runs. Sounds a little quieter. So until the next video, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Please do. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the notification bell. And yep, bye for now. While it's warming up, I'm going to enter the repair in the logbook. 189,853 miles on this 92 Chevy Astro van extended.